Click on the link below to get price. The DuroMax XP16000iH is an impressive 16,000-watt dual-fuel portable digital inverter generator that stands out for its versatility and performance. Designed to operate on both gasoline and propane, it provides users with flexibility, allowing them to choose the most convenient fuel source. This dual-fuel capability is particularly valuable during power outages or outdoor events, where fuel availability can vary. One of the standout features of the XP16000iH is its powerful output. With a peak power of 16,000 watts and a running power of 12,000 watts, this generator can handle even the most demanding appliances, from HVAC systems to multiple power tools. The inverter technology ensures a clean and stable power supply, making it suitable for sensitive electronics like computers and televisions. Noise levels are often a concern with generators, but the XP16000iH operates at a relatively quiet level, especially considering its power output. It features a whisper-quiet operation, making it ideal for use in residential areas or during camping trips without disturbing the peace. The generator is equipped with a user-friendly digital control panel that includes an array of outlets, including USB ports, ensuring compatibility with various devices. The electric start feature adds convenience, allowing users to start the generator effortlessly with a push of a button, and the included remote start capability provides even more ease of use. Portability is another strong suit of the XP16000iH. Despite its robust build, it comes with wheels and a handle, making it easier to transport than many stationary generators. The sturdy construction ensures durability, which is essential for outdoor use. Overall, the DuroMax XP16000iH is a formidable choice for anyone in need of a reliable, high-capacity generator. It excels in performance, versatility, and convenience, making it well-suited for both home backup power and recreational activities. Whether for emergencies or outdoor adventures, this generator delivers the power and reliability users can depend on.